Hey Roses, I'm back today with a very special unboxing. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, while I'm opening this box, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so right now. Hit the notification bell. That way you'll be ready for my next video. But in the meantime, here's my box. Hey guys, I'm so excited. You just don't even understand. What I got here is my package from Pydana collection. Now, if you don't know what Pydana collection is, there is hair care, there's skin care, and there are thermal caps. Now, if you've been following me already, you already know that I already have a Pydana collection thermal cap. I have had it for a long time now. And, yes, so, I'm looking at the card, hashtag Pydana Beauty. And it says, "Hey Alina, I hope you love our products as much as I do. Thanks, beautiful Rochelle." Rochelle is the owner, you guys. And this is a black-owned business. And you know how I feel about black-owned businesses, especially ones owned by females, okay? The other reason why I'm so excited about this, because I am a Pydana ambassador, you guys. Yes, your girl finally made it. I've been an ambassador for anyone else, and my very first shot is with a female black-owned business. So let's go ahead and get into what we have in our box, you guys. So, first item I'm looking at here is, so this is the Pydana collection Marula and Kupauku Herbal Silk 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer. And it says it holds 200 times more moisture than shea butter, revitalizes dry, damaged hair, defines twists, improves manageability, adds body and shine for natural, relaxed, and transitioning hair. So the great thing about this, it's not limited to just us naturals, not just me, you guys. Not just, you know, transitioning, but if you're relaxed too, you can even use these products too. Any and everybody can get the amount of moisture that's provided in this 3-in-1 intensive moisturizer in all of her products. First ingredient is water, Kupauku butter, olive oil, marula oil. You know, one thing that gets me is when product lines do not include oil somewhere within their first 5 ingredients. Well, I don't gotta worry about that again, y'all. We got the water, we got the oils right off top. You know what's in it, and it's not a whole bunch of junk in the top ingredients. That's what I'm talking about. So, and it smells good. Oh, I like the consistency. It's like, I don't know, it's soft and creamy. I'm not just saying that, you guys. I have tried one other product a while back when I ordered my Pydana collection thermal cap. I also, she also sent me a sample size of one of her deep conditioners. Y'all, I still remember it to this day, because when I tell you my hair felt like butter afterwards, it was silky, it was soft, it was moisturized, shining. Y'all, I mean, I scraped every bit of product out of that sample size, okay? So I already knew her products were good. So that's one product. So the Pydana collection Maru and Black Castor Oil Kinky Coily Moisture Seal Cream. It says it provides lasting, intense moisture, great for dry, coarse, and high porosity hair. Ooh. 4 C's, where y'all at? I got some for you. I got some for you. And it particularly says it's for kinky coily hair. This one includes water off top, olive oil, maru seed butter, black castor seed oil. Oh wow, it has molasses in it. Ooh. But those are the top ingredients. Again, quality from the beginning. It smells good too. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'll be washing very soon because I'm excited to use those products. Next item I have here is also 8 fluid ounce, and it's the Pydana Collection Avocado and Babassu Herbal Silk Deep Moisture Treatment. Everything smells like something that you wouldn't mind just rubbing on your body. That's how good it smells. I mean, but not in an overly perfumey way. Nice, clean, light scents that smell really good. Ooh, and this is even thicker. Y'all see that? Oh, I love it. Cannot wait to use this. It says this Pydana Collection Avocado and Babassu Deep Moisture Treatment is fortified with oils and moisture repair complex that nourishes and restores hydration to hair, promoting lasting deep moisture for healthy and strong, radiant hair. And then it breaks down what avocado is good for and babassu oil. Very good. I love this. So it says to cover with a plastic cap and let sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Apply heat for best results, which I will be applying heat because, again, as I've said I don't know how many times, I got my Pydana Collection thermal cap. You should get one too. Anyway, so far that's 3 hair products. The final hair product I have within this box is the Pydana Collection Luscious Locks Herbal Silk Hair Oil with Argan. It has omega-3, 6, 9 and vitamin E, rich, non-greasy, and locks in moisture. And you see how she put it in a little bag, so you know if the post office want to be a little rough, we don't have to worry about this spilling out the box. So that's a good thing. Let's get it out of here. Yay! I'm so glad to have this hair oil, you guys. And this has omega-3, 6, 9. It's vitamin E rich, which is really important to keep your hair, you know, lock in that moisture and keep it healthy and without being greasy at the same time. I'm just loving it. I'm also loving the packaging, you guys. One thing about Pydana Collection is if it's not the thermal caps with the beautiful African prints or just the packaging of the products itself, you know, with the gold and the burgundy, they all remind me of deep, rich colors of royalty. Hey, I mean, who wouldn't want to, you know, order from a company that's black owned that products just remind you that you're royalty just by picking them up or looking at them. Let me tell you. My last 2 items in here, I'm very happy to receive because a sister needs help with her skincare right now. And I'm glad I can get my help under one business. Not just things having to do with hair, but she also has skincare as well. Packaging, beautiful. I do notice I do have 2 facial serums. Oh, and they're both with hyaluronic acid. So I have 2 of the same thing, which is okay with me because I need that hyaluronic acid. It's so good for textured skin that is due to acne. And you guys, I have had this rough time with hormonal acne. It is horrible, you guys. I'm so sick of it. I have so many scars. I have just, you know, just bumps everywhere, and the way the pimples happen, they form underneath the skin. They'll sit there for a while, irritate you for like 2 weeks, then they decide to pop out or not pop out at all. So this hyaluronic acid is going to be what I need. So I'll be using these. I want the moisturizer too, because this is going to be my regimen for a while. Anyway, you guys, if you have any questions, if you tried any of these products and want to share your experience, please comment below. Make sure you visit Pydana Collection, and it's pydanacollection.com. There's also her thermal caps and also her skincare line. I will be using my products beginning tomorrow. Well, actually beginning tonight with this hyaluronic acid, you guys. I need to get this started ASAP. I'll be using each and every one of these hair products here, which I know will give me nothing but pure joy, because that's the way Pydana Collection is, let me tell you. So I'll take you guys along with me so you can see that wash day. We'll do a twist out or braid out, and then I'll let you guys join in for the results. So anyway, make sure you guys subscribe. There's going to be a whole lot more coming on this channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I do want to keep you, so make sure you subscribe. And for my subscribers that have been with me for a while, you know how your girl is. I appreciate you more than you guys even know. So I will talk to all of you roses later. Bye bye.